there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play Perfects by Ed Sheeran. So we're going to be replicating on the piano what the guitar part is doing. So there's only going to be 4 sections or 4 chord progressions that we're going to go over today, which will make up the entire song. So please see the description for the full chord song lyric structure. So there's no intro to this song. It just starts straight away with the verse. So in the right hand, you're just going to play 2 notes. I'm not going to play full chords. So the first 2 notes you're going to play is a C. So this is a middle C and E flat. So the piece is in time signature of 6/8. So you're playing 2 lots of triplets like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total you'll be playing that 12 times. And you're going to play it another 12 times. And then you're going to play D flat and F 12 times. And then move that shape up 1 to E flat and G for another 12 times. So on the top there we have the chord progression of A flat major, F minor, D flat major and E flat major. And that whole progression runs through twice for the verse. So the left hand, you're just going to play those root notes. So if you can play in octaves, then play in octaves, but if not, just play a single note. So you're going to be following the root notes of those chords. So we have A flat, and then F, D flat, and then E flat. So I'm going to put that together. And then it repeats. So next we're going to look at the pre-chorus. So we're using the same chords again, almost in the right order. So I'm just going to play through it and I'm just going to play it in the same way. So I've listed the chord structure on the top there. So the first is an A flat major, then F minor, then D flat major, and then to A flat major for 6, and then E flat major for 6. And then back to A flat major. F minor. D flat major. And then E flat major. And it sort of stops abruptly like that, and it goes into the chorus. So now we're going to have a look at the chorus. Again, the exact same chords, just play them in a different order. So we have F minor, D flat major, A flat major, and E flat major, and you're going to play that through 4 times. So the chords change a bit more often, so you're just going to play 6 of these with each chord. So like this. So now we're going to have a look at the post-chorus. So this is the chord progression here. So we'll go through the left hand first. You're doing this descending pattern. So you're going to play A flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, and then back up to E flat. And the right hand is going to play A flat and C, and then G and B flat, F and A flat, E flat and G, D flat and F, and then E flat and G together. So this is all quite quick. So the left hand is going to come in before the right hand, so it's all hands separate like this. I'll play it slowly. A bit more of a quicker speed. So that is like the little interlude post-chorus, and that also makes the outro as well, except at the very end it ends on an A flat major. So I'll just play that as if it's the outro and you've just finished playing the last chorus. So a full A flat major chord is A flat, C and E flat. So that concludes all the sections and all the parts needed to play the full song, full accompaniment part. If you have enjoyed this video and it's been useful, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, I'd love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials, so please do hit that subscribe button. If you have any piano tutorial requests, please see where you can go and do that in the comment section. So just go and follow that link and submit your requests there. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.